In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the rear wiper blade on a Volkswagen Golf or its variants like this All-Track MK7. Now this may apply to some of the earlier or later models, but this one here in particular is an MK7. Please excuse my car, it's a little dusty, but to remove the rear wiper you just pull it away. I've already done this one, so you just pull it away, and you may need a tool like I talked about before. Do not use a knife. Do as I say, not as I do. Better use would be a flathead screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, something like that, and just push forward. You got to push in on it and forward, and then this just slides right out. Now you'll need to change out the clip on this, and I'll show you that right now. So on this rear blade, like the front blade, it may or may not come with that 22 millimeter shim. This is definitely a 19 millimeter in the rear, so the same type of thing. You just kind of pop it off and you're ready to go. Now to reinstall, you just simply slide it back in just like that. Make sure it's good and attached. And there you go. Well, thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share.